and is going to break the important resistance in the past few months. As you can see on the chart, the green line I have got in here worked really hard as a resistance, and the bottom line worked really hard as a support, and gold was playing inside this triangle, and it looks like it's breaking to the upside. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about Bitcoin. I'm going to share with you what I see on the Bitcoin chart. Before that, just give me about a minute. Just let me show you what I see on the other chart I have got in here. First of all, I'm going to show you the Bitcoin dominance I have got in here. I think Bitcoin dominance has got a triple bottom, as you can see about this area. I think it is about a 40%. We have got triple bottom, and now Bitcoin dominance will start to grow into the upside. We don't know how much can go up, but the first resistance we have got, it could be about this area. The resistance we have got about a 48%. The other thing, in the past few days, stock market started to crash to the downside again, and Bitcoin yesterday and 2 days ago, Bitcoin started to crash to the downside one more time. But the dollar index is started to growing. Anytime the dollar index growing to the upside, we saw the negative correlation between the gold actually and the dollar index. But this time we saw the negative correlation between dollar and the stock market, and also dollar index is growing to the upside. Also gold is growing to the upside and is going to break the important resistance in the past few months. As you can see on the chart, the green line I have got in here worked really hard as a resistance, and the bottom line worked really hard as a support, and gold was playing inside this triangle, and it looks like it's breaking to the upside. If gold actually can break to the upside and pass this area, which is about the 1875, the previous high, after that I'm expecting gold to reach to about a 2300 or something like that, 2321. Now we do not have correlation, we do not have negative correlation between dollar index and gold. Actually, we have got negative correlation between stock and dollar index, and it's happening with the Bitcoin as well. Okay, I'm going to show you what I see on the Bitcoin chart that I have got in here. Just let me show you. My chart is this one actually. On the daily time frame, what do we see in here? I talked about this one in the past few videos with you. I told you this trend line I have got in here worked really nice as a support and resistance in the past, and now it's working as a support for me. I can see this one, this line is going to be really important for me and for Bitcoin as well. Actually, it was working as a support, as a resistance, as a support, and now it's going to as a resistance. Now it's going to work as a support one more time. And this zone area I have got in here in blue color, it was working as a support and resistance for Bitcoin. Now I'm expecting this zone area is going to work as a support as well for Bitcoin. Another thing I have got in here, the 20 EMA, 50 EMA couldn't actually hold the price of Bitcoin. Now the next support we have got in here in the blue color, we have got the 20 EMA on the daily time frame. I told you in the past videos, if the 50 EMA with the yellow color cannot hold the price of Bitcoin, I'm expecting this trend line and the 20 EMA for Bitcoin hold the price of Bitcoin, which is about $41,500, or I'm expecting Bitcoin to go lower than that, maybe about $41,000. But as long as Bitcoin on the daily time frame stay above this area, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. Some people call this one as an inverse head and shoulder, as you can see, and it's going to continue to the upside to about $52. I can see $52,000 for Bitcoin is coming in the next few days if nothing actually happen in the stock market or inflation or something like that. The other chart I have got in here is going to be the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. I told you in the past video, maybe this movement we have got in here for Bitcoin, after breaking to the downside, actually breaking the trend line we have got in here, maybe it's going to be same as this one we had in the past. Some people call this one as a rising wedge, but I'll call this one as a falling wedge. As you can see, maybe we are going to see another falling wedge for Bitcoin, and after that Bitcoin start to make a rally to the upside one more time. As we can see, the RSI on the 4-hour time frame actually is going to the downside. We had the divergence on the RSI on the 4-hour time frame as Bitcoin price made a higher high, but the RSI made a higher low on the 4-hour time frame. As the RSI in the 4-hour time frame consolidating and it's going to the downside, I'm expecting another push from the bulls come to the market and push the price of Bitcoin to about $52,000, which I'm expecting that one for a long time at the moment. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have found the video helpful, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next one.